Welcome to the DTW Habit Tracker 3.0. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this system so you can start building unbreakable discipline. Step 1. Click the link provided in your Access file and hit the blue Make a Copy button. This saves your own private version directly to your Google Drive. Step 2 is unlocking the automation. Because this tracker runs on custom code, you need to authorize it. Go to the top menu, click the Custom DTW button, and follow the prompts to allow access. Google will show a security warning. Just click Advanced and go to Script to activate your tracker. Step 3 is setting your goals. Head over to the Dashboard tab. This is the only place you need to type in your habit names. Once you type a habit, click the plus icon right next to it. Here, you can customize your frequency. Choose whether you want to do this habit every day, on an X day interval, or just weekly. The sheet will automatically adjust for you. Step 4 is setting your rewards. Go to the Profile section. Do not type your habit names here. They sync automatically from your dashboard. Your only job on this page is to assign an XP reward value next to each habit. Set higher XP for the harder tasks. That's it. Your system is live. Read the rules on the Start Here tab, check your boxes daily to gain XP and level up your profile. Hit 100% to earn the daily crown, but avoid 0% or you'll get the skull penalty. Stay consistent and let's get to work. If you run into any issues or need help during the setup, we've got your back. You can directly contact us on our personal WhatsApp number or send us an email. All our contact details are listed right below this video. See you on the inside.